And we have breaking news tonight. There has been a shooting at Riverchase Galleria in Hoover. We are still getting information, but police say there are at least 4 victims and they have not released their conditions. We do know multiple people were taken to hospitals. They say it is unclear how many gunmen there were. Police say the mall is closed now and the scene is contained. The mall near Birmingham was the site of a 2018 police shooting where an officer shot and killed a black man with a gun after mistaking him for the gunman in an earlier shooting at that mall.